Wagwan. Welcome back to Berrylicious Kitchen. So today in my kitchen, I will be making none other than the famous Jamaican cornmeal pudding. Yes, if you grow with your grandparents, you will see them making it hella top, hella bottom, cold on top, cold on down at the bottom on the cold stove, or they will make it in the oven or on the stove top. But whichever way, I will be making the scrumptious, mouth-watering, delicious Jamaican cornmeal pudding. So, before you get started mixing your mixture, be sure to preheat your oven to 315 degrees Fahrenheit before you get anything started. You can also go ahead and grease your pudding pan with whether your palm, your butter, and flour it, and set it aside. So, before I start doing anything, I would ask you guys please to just press the subscription button and subscribe to my channel because I'll be coming with more Jamaican dishes, more Jamaican treats. So just subscribe, click the button, turn your notification on so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, time to get down in the kitchen. Yeah, time to get down in the kitchen, time to make up a stand in your kitchen right now. So your pen and your paper so you can try this recipe out at a later date. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here I have my ingredients, some of my ingredients to be exact. I have some rum, I have some coconut oil, I have my flour, my 3 cups of cornmeal, my nutmeg, my cinnamon, my salt, my vanilla, my coconut extract, my almond flavor, my raisin, my half stick of butter, my 4 cups of coconut milk. I also have some sugar, some brown sugar and some white sugar as well. So I will be separating my dry ingredients from my wet ingredients. So I'll start by mixing my wet ingredients. Right here I have 4 cups of coconut milk. And to this 4 cups of coconut milk, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 1, 2. Then I'll be adding half tablespoon of rum, then I'll be adding half tablespoon of vanilla caramel flavoring. I'll also be adding half tablespoon of white vanilla. I'll be adding half teaspoon of salt. I spilled some of the salt right there, so I'm just gonna add just a little more because of the spill I made right there. Then I'll also be adding half teaspoon. Oh, this is not open. Let me open this. This is my almond flavor. To the mixture, I will also be adding half teaspoon of almond flavoring. I'll also be adding half teaspoon of coconut extract. I'll also be adding half cup of white sugar. So half cup white sugar and half cup brown sugar. And you'll mix all this wet ingredients along with the sugar and the salt together. And you're going to mix until the sugar is dissolved in the coconut milk. Okay, so I'm going to rest this aside and I'm going to get started on my dry ingredients. Now I'll be mixing my dry ingredients. I will be sifting 3 cups of cornmeal. And this is fine cornmeal. Try your best to find the finest cornmeal you can find in the supermarket or shop. And you're going to sift this through your strainer. The remainder you'll be putting it in the bin. Then I'll also be adding half cup of flour. One teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You're going to combine all the dry ingredients together. And the half cup of flour is to bind the cornmeal together, because you need a binding agent in your cornmeal pudding to keep everything together. So now that I've mixed all my dry ingredients together, I will go ahead and start adding my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. Right here I have half stick of melted butter, I have 1/3 of a cup coconut oil. Try to get as much out as possible. And to this, I will be adding, for now, 2 cups of my coconut milk. So that's 2 cups of coconut milk, and I have 2 cups remaining. So now I'm going to take my hand mixer and I'm going to mix it.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
in between thick and thin, and you need to ensure that it is coating your spoon. As you can see here, it is coating the spoon. I think this can use just a little more. Remember, I started off with 4 cups of coconut milk. Now I have just a little under 1 cup left in the measuring cup. So this is what you want to see. Now I'm just going to taste a little bit of my mixture to ensure that it is well flavored and okay, just a little. So I'm tasting the coconut. I think it needs just a little bit more vanilla flavoring to it. So to the vanilla that I've already added, I'll be adding 1 more. One more tablespoon of vanilla caramel flavoring to my pudding, and then I will be pouring it into my grease pudding pan. Now I have my grease pudding pan right here, and I'll be pouring my mixture into my pudding pan. Now I have 1/3 of a cup raisins that I had in just a little bit of rum, and I'm going to be dusting them with some flour. Right now, I'll be using my fingers to place these raisins in the pudding mixture. So ensure that your hand is in. So now I am going to plate it, and guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Please guys, please subscribe, click the subscription button. All you have to do is just click the subscription button, please guys, please. So let's plate this cornmeal pudding and dig in. So guys, I'm finished. Look at my strawberries. Look at my cornmeal pudding. Oh, let me go down a bit. I think I'm too tall for the camera. But guys, I am finished. I'm final finish. As you can see in the background, it is night. It is night. So thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe. It's easy to do. Just click that little button right there. Turn your notification on as well, because you guys are gonna love my recipes and you guys will enjoy this cornmeal pudding right here that I'm about to dig in. So this is it. Smell yummy, 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 yummy. So I'm gonna taste it and I'm gonna see. I'm gonna let you guys taste it with me. Take the first bite. Now I'm gonna try. The raisins, they're so juicy, they burst in your mouth. You can taste the rum, you can taste the caramel, vanilla, you can taste the vanilla, the coconut stand up, it's stand up, the coconut, it's stand up in the pudding here. For English speakers, the coconut is very strong, the coconut flavor is very strong in the pudding. So, try it, you won't be sorry for subscribing and trying this pudding. So go ahead, try it. You guys will definitely love it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Share with your friends and family. Please, guys, share with your friends and family. Tell them to go over to Berrylicious Kitchen and subscribe, please. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So please just click the subscription button and subscribe to my channel. Would you like it? I'm not even gonna ask. I'm gonna give you guys another bite just for subscribing. Oh, you like strawberry with it too? Let me give you strawberry. Let me give you some strawberries. Ooh. How is it? Nice, right? The strawberry is a whole nother ball game. The strawberry is a whole nother ball game. Hold on. Let me try it again. A whole nother ball game for sure. Oh, I have something I can drizzle on this as well. One minute. So I have some sauce. Excuse my blue cup. I have some. Ooh, look at that! Ooh. Oh my goodness! I totally forgot about this sauce. Let's try it. Sauce, strawberry, rub it in. Come on, Leonora. Let me let you taste a little piece because you're very picky. This is my daughter. She's very picky. How is it? Give me your honest opinion.
It's good.
This is her right here. How is it?
Good.
Taste it again.
I don't want the raisin.
Okay, I'm not giving you any reason. How is it?
Good.
From Leonora says that this is good. It is good. She's a very picky eater. Very, very picky eater. So guys, whoa! Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. You see, this little girl is gone. Gone with my pudding, bud. It's lovely. Absolutely lovely. So, until next time, bye.